Welcome back. Continuing the news. As technology and artistry continue to evolve, so too is the way we beautify the world and ourselves. Excuse me. In this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, one beauty organization is teaching young people how to style for success in the world of cosmetology. Amoy Harriet reports.
The beauty industry has changed more in the last 5 years than it has in the past 5 decades, shaped by culture, technology, and an ever-evolving standard of what it means to be beautiful. The industry is rapidly expanding, with more young professionals seeking to dip their feet, or mostly hands, in the business. Shades of Elegance Salon and Spa recently hosted a beauty, health, and wellness expo in Old Harbour, St. Catherine, where a number of young and budding hairstylists, makeup artists, and barbers from different high schools in and around the parish were equipped with the skills and resources to hone their craft. Then they were equipped with the necessary certifications from Heart NSTA Trust, who was also on location.
There are so many persons, salon owners, cosmetologists that really, they have the skill, they know what they're doing, but they're not certified. And this is one of the initiatives that our owner, Trisha Reed, conceptualized. We noticed that a lot of persons really have the skill, have the talent, and just needed the certification. So we brought Heart Trust NSTA to them here on this day, and we'll continue to do it.
It's good to be certified, you see, because most of the time I got the talent, but when you have it on paper, you take it all over a reel, you see.
Like any good makeup look or trim, creativity is key. As part of the expo, the students were tasked with creating an extravagant bridal hairstyle, and creativity was certainly on display.
Shows like this really rally up the spirit of cosmetology. It really showcase what we have to offer to the public, to the parents, to Jamaica on a whole, right? So shows like this are really important and essential.
Snip, style, shine. A process often filled with polish and passion. It's this passion CEO of Shades of Elegance, Trisha Reed, believes is driving the evolution of the industry, and she wants more young people to get involved.
It would be remiss of us to have an event like this and not inviting the youth to come on board and to showcase their skills and also to be a part of the industry, because the industry is moving, and what I want people to understand is that the beauty industry is an industry that we all need to support and be a part of.
Contrary to the belief that the beauty and wellness industry is oversaturated, this student believes there's still space for everyone.
It's a very nice feel for anybody who out there wants to do this. Just believe in yourself. You can do it. Don't feel discouraged if anybody is discouraging you. Just don't listen to them. Don't listen to bad mind people. Just believe in yourself that you can do it. And yeah, Mama said we have to make money, you know.
With your Ray of Hope, I'm Amoy Harriet.